Hello friends! Today we create mousepad in Scratch. You can choose anything you like. Let's get started now. Choose the one you like. Motion. Choose Go to Random Position. Choose Mouse, Pointer. The motion category has random motion content. Whenever you press, it will let the sprite go. Control. Choose Forever. If you put this block in a loop forever, the sprite will always go to your mouse pointer. Events. Select when clicked. Control. Create clone of myself. Make copies. If I click on it, it will create a copy. Control. Select when I start as a clone. Block when I start as a clone. Loops. Choose Change Color Effect by 25. We can change color, can do one loop. Control. Delete this clone. They will disappear from the screen. Can add delete this clone. When I make a copy, it will change color slightly and then disappear. Create clone of myself. Now we make these copies continuously as I drag the mouse around. It starts to look like a mouse trail. Motion. Choose Change Y by -10. Change Y by -10, and now the copies are going down. Motion. Point in direction. Operators. Pick random 0 to 360. Generates one sprite point in a certain direction, and if you put in a random block, pick from 0 to 360, then it will point in random direction. Motion. Select Move 10 steps. Click on the 10-step move block to make a sprite advance in whatever direction it is pointing. Costumes. Choose a sprite. You can choose to transform your favorite object. Loops. Choose Change Side by -9. Resize in blocks and set a negative number. Items will get smaller as they come out. Loops. Choose Train Ghost Effect by 7. Can set one Train Ghost Effect block to become more transparent. Motion. Turn 15 degrees. You can also try rotating the block and see what makes the copies rotate. Try with what you like. Have fun creating mouse tracks. Goodbye.